Welcome back. Let's do team standing points. Where do your favorite teams fit? The top three at this point is McLaren with 319 points. Red Bull is in second with 143 points. Ferrari's in third with 142 points. Williams is in fifth place with 54 points. Haas, sixth place, 26 points. In seventh, Racing Bulls with 22 points. Eighth place, Aston Martin with 14 points. Ninth place, Alpine with 7 points. And in 10th place, we've got Kicksalver with 6 points.